Let's do the second part of this paper. Question number 15. Work out 3 minus 2 over 3 in bracket and 1 minus 5 over 7. So we need to show the working. So I'm writing this again here. 3 minus 2 over 3 and 1 minus 5 over 7. So here we can put 1 down here. So LCM is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 1, 2 in the first bracket. Second one, LCM is 7. So 1 times 7 minus 5. So then 9 minus 2 is 7 over 3 times 2 over 7. So this is gone. So you are left with only 2 over 3, which is the final answer. Question 16. Complete the table by ticking the correct column for each statement. 1400 milliliters. So it is in liters. So if we can divide it by 1000, so it will be 1.4 liters. So 1.4, this is more than 1 liter. So 1000. So when you divide it by 1000, it will be 1 liter. So this is equal to 1 liter, and this millimeter cube. So we have to divide this by 1000 and 1000, 6 zeros. So there are 5 zeros. So this is gonna be 0.1. So this is less than. Question 17a. The diagram shows the plan and elevation for a 3D shape. We have this 3 views of the shapes. We need to see, tick which 3D shape the plan and elevation shows. We have 4 shapes here, and we have to see out of this which one represents by these 3 sides of the plan. So we can start from deleting. We can go the reverse way. This is the top plan. So we have 3 and 2. Dimensions are 3 and 2. But here the top of dimensions are 3 and 3. So this is not the shape that we want. And here the top view is 2 by 3. So it matches to this. So it may be we can put it for further thinking. So this may be. Then the third one also top. These two are almost the same. So we will delete one of them afterwards. So this one here, this cannot be possible, because the front view we have only one box here. So what here we have 2 boxes. So it is not possible. So this is also not. So we are done with this, and this is not the diagram. So we need to think about these two now. So let's see the side elevation. The top elevation is same for both. The side elevation, you can see here 1, 2, 3. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and then we have here it is 1, but we need it as this, the 2. So that means this is not possible. So our answer will be this one. Part B. Here is a drawing of cuboid measuring 2 cm, 4 and 6. So we have 2 centimeters here, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the question is, a different cuboid measures 2 by 3 by 5. Draw this cuboid. So we need to draw this one. So let's start with the 2. I can take any point. We can take these 2 squares here. So if this is 2, then by 3 can be this way. So it is like 1, 2 and 3. One, 2 and 3. So again we have 2 here, this way. So this is one face. This side we have 1, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. and this will be the point here because 2 is on the top. So now we are left with this. This is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will complete our shape. So that's it. So but we need these internal things here, internal dimensions. So this is 2 units and this is 5 and this is 2. So this is the diagram with dimensions 2, 3 and 5. Question 18. A shape is made from 6 cubes. We have 6 cubes, 3 this way, 3 this way. Write down the plane of symmetry for this shape. So there will be, write down the number of planes. There will be 2. One is going to be this side here, along this way. The other one will be like this from here downwards. So there are 2 planes of symmetry. Question 19. Calculate 34 times 19 plus 36 by times 90 over 35. So we can see 19 is common here. So we can take out 19. Then in bracket we will have 34 plus 36 divided by 35. So this is 19 times 34 plus 36. This is 70 over 35. So 35 times 2 is 70. 19 times 2 is 38. Part B. 54 times 54 over 27. So 27 times 2, 54. Then 54 times 2. 4 times 2, 8, 10, 108. Question 20. The graph shows the line with equation 2y equals to 3x minus 1. Find the gradient of the line. So we know that this is the equation of the line. 2y equals to 3x minus 1, and the standard form of the equation is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So we can divide it entire equation by 2 like this. Then it will become y equals to 3 over 2x minus 1. So if you compare, so this is your gradient now, 3 over 2, or we can write down 1.5. Next, draw the line x plus 2y equals to 7 on the grid. So we need this line. So let's say we can take 2 points for 0. If x is 0, then this is 0 plus 2y equals to 7, and then y will be 7 over 2, that is 3.5. So we have 1.0 and 3.5, one of the coordinates. Now if y is 0, then we can take from here x plus 2 times 0 equals to 7. So x will be 7. So another point is y is 0, x is 7. So we can plot these. The first one 0, x 0, y 3.5. x 0, y 3.5 is this one. Then x 7, y 0. x 7, y 0 is this. So let's join them to make a line. So this is the line of the equation x plus 2y equals to 7. Now next question is, use your answer from part B to solve the simultaneous equations. So we are given these two equations. One was already given, second that we have plotted. So the point of intersection will be the solution. So we are just going to take this value as x and this is y. So x is, from here, x is, as you can see, x is 2 and y along this side is 2.5, between 2 and 3. So y is 2.5. Question 21. A restaurant manager records the time in minutes that customer wait for their food to be served. The back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows his restaurant for customers eating at lunchtime in the evening. So I have already done this range for you. Range, as you know, range is maximum value minus minimum value, that is 41 minus 9. Maximum value is 41, minimum is 9. So answer will be 32. 41 minus 9 is 32. So now let's see how to calculate the median. So as you know that median we need to rearrange the values, but they are already arranged. But students usually get confused when they strike off these numbers to find out the middle number. So let's just write it down in order. So we have this first one is 8, then again 8, 9, then it will be 10, 11, 12, then 15, 16, 18, 19, then we have 21, 22, 23, 25, 25 again, 25, again 25, then it is 32. So let's see, we have not missed anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we can take the middle value 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So now we are left with 16 and 18. 16 plus 18, that is 34 divided by 2. So answer is 17. So we have median value here as this is 17. So part B, tick to show when waiting time was generally longer. So we can see waiting time is longer in the evening. So reason, explain, how do you know? So it is the median is higher in the evening. So that's it. Let's see the next part. We have here the next part of the question. Tick to show when waiting time was more spread out. So we can see the waiting time was more spread out. It will be by the calculated by the range. So the range is higher in the evening, that is 32. So in the evening, so we can say the range is larger in the evening. In the reason, the range is larger in the evening. Question 22. Hassan is investigating how long it take people to travel to work. He designs a data collection sheet. So we have time in minute. The first column is here. So 0 to 60. So you can see it have been divided from 0 to 60. It should be divided equally, and there are 4 for that. So if we divide it by 4, 60, so we are getting 15. So that means there should be interval of 15, 15. So 0 to 15, then 15 to 30, 30 to 45, just add 15, 15, then 45 to 60. So that it makes equal width. Now question 23, we have to fill this gap. Times 3 by 4 equals to this. So to fill this gap, let's say this is x. X may be like 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6, then divided by 3 over 4. So let's calculate this. This is LCM is 6. So here it will be 2 times 3 times 3. So this is going to be 3 plus 1. This will become times 4 over 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 6 times 4 over 3. So 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So this is 8 over 9. So in the gap we will fill 8 over 9. Question 24. The diagram shows a triangle drawn on a grid. You can see this triangle here. Enlarge the triangle with scale factor 3 and center 5, 4. Center 5, 4, this have been already given to us with this dot. So we need to increase these dimensions by 3. So we can, it's easy to count the squares, go through all the vertices. This is one vertex, so this is 1. There are 2 boxes, 2 times 3, we have 6 boxes. We need to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is through this vertex. Now this vertex, it is like there are 2 actually, then again 2 will be here, then final is going to be, or if it's not going through that, so it's easy to measure this. This is 2 centimeters, 2 times 3 is 6, so it should come along this box here. Then the third one, it's going along, it's easy, 1 square, 1 times 3 is 3. So this is our point. So now we can join all these points to get the enlarged shape. So this is the enlarged shape with scale factor 3 and center 5, 4.